everyone, Leah from EurekaCrystalBeads.com here. Welcome back to our channel. Before I get started, make sure to hit subscribe so that way you can see all the great videos we put out, and you can hit that little notification bell and you will get notified every time we put up a great new video. So what I'm going to talk to you about today are a couple of exciting things. First of all, we are releasing a brand new kit. My first kit design that I've made for Eureka Crystal Beads. We're calling it the Jewel Encrusted Rivoli Pendant. And it features a lot of great elements here, including one that's brand new to us, which I'll talk about in a minute. So to start off, it features a gorgeous 14mm Rivoli in there. We have some other Swarovski elements. We have a few different sizes of seed beads, as you can see here. And we have a couple of different techniques that we're using here, including flat and circular peyote, embellishments, fringe, a lot of great basic stuff that you can sort of embellish on later as far as knowing the technique, learning the technique and the directions. They're great techniques that will take you forward into a lot of other projects. So just to give you a little sneak peek at the directions here, lots of great pictures, tons of detail, step by step. So I hope you're going to go head on over to the website and check it out. We're offering it in 3 different colorways here. This is one of them. Again, if you want to see, this one features a peach glacier 14mm Rivoli. That's a great custom coating that we offer here. So that's a really, really stunning one. I saw it. That was the first Rivoli I picked out, and I said I have to make one of the colorways featuring that color. I absolutely loved it. So as you can see, it offers a little smattering of everything that you need to make it. And what's nice is we're not making you buy a ton of something to make it. We're giving you kind of just what you need, plus a little bit extra in case you're flinging a bead across the room. You never want to run out. So now I'm going to talk to you about one of the cool new products we're carrying that's actually featured in this. So if you look here, I call it a jewel encrusted pendant because we have a couple layers of these absolutely gorgeous 2 and 3mm faceted gemstones. These are hand cut and hand polished. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a sneak peek into some of the colors that we're carrying. So this is one of the ones that, actually one of my favorite ones that's featured in this particular kit, and this is faceted garnet. These are all genuine gemstones. Again, hand cut, hand polished. These are stunning. One of the big reasons we wanted to carry these is because Swarovski has discontinued many of the colors that came in the 2mm round faceted crystal. They do still make some of the colors, some of the basic colors. You know, your jet, your clear AB, things like that. But a lot of the other colors did get discontinued. Keep in mind though, if you still have a need for them, we still do have some in stock. So get them while they're lasting, because once they're gone, they're gone. So that is the garnet. Let's see, I'm going to show you a couple other. You know, I'm just going to bring the box right over here. Why not? Let's just dig right in here with me. This is another one that's really pretty. Who doesn't love purple, especially for spring coming up? Again, gorgeous, faceted, teeny tiny, genuine amethyst. And these are the kinds of things that are featured in these kits. Each of the 3 colorways comes with 2 different gemstone varieties. Let's see here. We have some great earthy tones here, some mixed agate stuff. Oh, absolutely gorgeous lapis. And again, I don't know if the camera's really picking up how much sparkle these have. I hope they do. Try to show them a little bit closer here. But it's a beautiful natural sort of sparkle. And I really think it added a nice element to the kit. Oh, peridot. Who doesn't love peridot, especially for the spring coming up? That's a great color. I feel like maybe I should have I feel like that would have been a really great kit. We have some pinks, which are great. We have blue lace agate, another great sort of pastel tone for the upcoming springy season. We have tiger eye for all you little earth tone lovers. Great little raspberry quartz. So that's a little sneak peek into a new product we're carrying. These are now up on the website. Go check them out. We will link you to them in the description bar. And again, go check out the new jewel encrusted Rivoli pendant. This one is exclusive to EurekaCrystalBeads.com, created by moi. So again, go check it out. All right, see you guys next time.